Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word smell. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I could smell the fresh scent of flowers as I walked through the garden. Smell refers to the sense that allows us to detect odors and scents in our environment through the use of our nose and olfactory system. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.